Next, area of a parallelogram. Parallelogram means what? It is a four-sided closed figure. Opposite sides are parallel to each other. Okay. Like this type of figures, how to find the area? This is the parallelogram. This is base and perpendicular distance. We can call it as height. Okay. So area of the parallelogram is area A is equal to base into height. That is the equation to find area of a parallelogram. If area and base are given means height we can find out area divided by base. If area and height are given, base you can find out area divided by height. So, this equation you have to study. Area of any parallelogram is equal to base into height. Height is equal to area by base. Base is equal to area by height. Directly we can find some exercise question 14c. Base and height are directly given. If base is 8 and base is equal to 8 centimeter and height is equal to 3 centimeter. How to find area? Base into height. 24 centimeter square. Area always representing in square unit. That everyone know. Then next if base and area are given. If area of a parallelogram is 48 centimeter square and perpendicular distance is height is equal to 6 centimeter. How to find the base? Base is equal to area divided by height. That is 48 divided by 6. 8 centimeter. Like this you can find when base and height are given means you can find the area and area and height are given means you can find the base like that way. Then for the side of a rhombus and altitude are given. Find its area. Rhombus is one type of a parallelogram itself. So whatever the equation is coming for a parallelogram, same equation we can use for rhombus also. The adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 36 centimeter and 27 centimeter length. The perpendicular distance between the shorter side is 12 centimeter. Distance between the longer side. The adjacent side of a parallelogram. One parallelogram's adjacent sides are given 36 and 27. 36 and 27. If the perpendicular distance between the shorter sides is 12 centimeter, this distance between these two is 12 centimeter. And what is the distance between these two? So it is a parallelogram means we can find its area. When we are considering this way and this way, anyway when we are considering area will be same. 36 into 27. That number is the area. Sorry, base into height now. 27. Sorry, this area is equal to base into height. This base 27 into height upon that. Height is 12. Then you will get area. Then when we are considering 36 base. When we are considering 36 base and height we don't know. This height we don't know. That time also same area you will get. This same area only you will get because it is a one figure only. So when we are considering this side and this height, you are getting area. This side and this height, you are getting area. Both areas will be same. First base and height are given. From there you will get one answer. That answer you write here also. Then we can find this answer divided by 36. Okay. Here 27 into 12 we will get the area of the parallelogram. This parallelogram's area we will get. When we are considering 36 and its height, this height, we are getting the same area because area is the whole figure, the portion inside the figure. So, when we are considering this side area, when we are considering this side, the area will be same. So equating the same area, you will get the height from longer sides to other longer side. Okay. Next, area of a triangle. Triangle, you know how to find the area. Area, one equation is there. A is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. Base into height, when we are multiplying, you are getting area of a parallelogram. Parallelogram is two triangles. Parallelogram means it is a combination of two triangles. One triangle here, two triangle. Base into height, when we are multiplying, you will get a parallelogram. It is half part, it is the area of one triangle. Half base into height is total base into height, one base into height. So we can study area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. So we can study area is equal to half into base into height. Then when we are getting area and base, how to find the height? Height is equal to 2 times area divided by base. 2 take left side, then it will come in numerator, 2a by base. When area and height are given, how to find the base? 2a divided by height. Okay. If it is an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal for an equilateral triangle, that we know. So, in that case, equilateral triangles case, we can say that area is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. A is the length of one side. Root 3 by 4 a square. Area of an equilateral triangle only. Root 3 by 4 a into a, or side into side. Okay, this also you have to study. All these equation you have to by heart. Okay, this you will get directly when you are studying area of a area of a triangle. Area of an equilateral triangle also study. This no need to study, because directly if you know this means these two directly you will get. Okay. Next, some questions based on this triangle. Base and height are given. How to find area? Some area and base are given. Finding height. Like that way, finding base also. You can use this formula and find. Find the area of a square. Find the area in square meters of triangle whose base and altitudes are given. Base and altitude are given. Half into base into altitude. Whenever you are multiplying like this, you have to see the measures. That means units. One base is in centimeter and altitude in meter, means you have to convert both of them in same unit. Okay. Now some figures area we can calculate. One figure is given like this. It is one side is given 9, 9. This side is 13. This is a rectangle, means how to find the area of this figure? We don't know this 5-sided figure, how to find the area. But we know the area of a square, area of a rectangle, area of a triangle, like that way we know. So, we can cut this figure into two pieces. Two pieces. First piece, it is a square. Second piece, it is a triangle. So, area of the full figure is area of the square plus area of the triangle. What is area of a square? Side into side. This side is 9, this side is 9. 9 into 9, 81. Okay. Then area of a triangle, how to find? Area of a triangle. That means this side and this side are same. So this is 9. This total is 13. Here to here 9. Then what is remaining? 10, 11, 12, 13. 4 is remaining. So area of the triangle is half, base is 4, height is 9, half BH. Then cut 2. 2 9s are 80. Then what is the area of the full figure? 81 plus 18. It is 99. Okay. Then this figure, see. It is given 6. This side 6. This is 5, 4 and 3. we can cut like this. It is a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is 6 into 5, 30. Area of a triangle, it is a right angle triangle is given. So this is 4 is its height. So area of a triangle is half base into height. One of them you can consider as base, other is height because it is a right angle triangle. Then cut it to 2 3s are 6. 30 plus 6 total is 36. Okay. Then here we can consider this as a one triangle here, one rectangle here. This is 5 and this is 9 and this side is 3 and this side is 1.5. So rectangle's area is 9 into 1.5. Okay. The triangle's area is, this is 1.5, here also 1.5. Subtract from 5, we have to subtract 1.5. Remaining part is 3.5. This is 3.5 and this length is 3. Total is 9. Then from 9 minus 3, 6. So half into 6 into 3.5. Find out that answer. These two answers find out, add it. Then you will get the area of that figure. Okay. So when a question is coming like this, you have to split into different figures. Each and all areas we know. Rectangle, square, triangle, parallelogram, like that way we know. So we have to split into that type of figures. Then we can find the area or separate and add each other.